Joe here at Rockstar Window Tinting, and I just finished up this remote start on this 2018 Honda Civic with a manual transmission. So a lot of people ask if we can do them. We can do them. You do have to have certain parts of your vehicle functioning. You do have to have a working parking brake, and your door triggers have to work. Car has to know when the doors are open and closed. Same with your hood and trunk. So with that being said, I'm going to show you real quick how easy it is to operate a remote start on a manual transmission car. So follow me. So we are inside this 2018 Honda Civic. So I'll start it up for you. So I'll make sure it's a neutral, clutch, key. Vehicle is running. Parking brake is currently set. So to take the parking brake off, you have to put your foot on the foot brake, release the parking brake. So now this vehicle is as if you pulled up to a parking spot and you're getting ready to get out of your vehicle for a period of time. So to set reservation mode for manual transmission, you put your foot on the brake, pull the parking brake, release the parking brake, pull the parking brake again, let off the brake. Remote start takes over, remove the key, and just simply get out, shut the door, and lock it while the vehicle is running in neutral. So the car will shut off after about 10 seconds. That way it can confirm the last time the doors were locked, it was running in neutral. So if anything changes that status, if somebody unlocks the door, if the alarm is set off, it will cancel reservation mode. Even if you open the trunk, anything that makes that vehicle possibly unsafe to remote start, it will cancel reservation mode and you will not be able to remote start. But for those that want remote start with some manual transmissions, this is the safest and most consistent way to do this. So here we are, we're just gonna pretend it's 2 hours later. We gotta go home. We're gonna hit our remote start button. Remote start. Now, we've successfully and safely remote started a manual transmission vehicle. That is one, the parking brake is set, it is in neutral, the doors are locked, and it is secure. So I hope that helps people wonder or answer questions for those that wonder if you can do a manual transmission vehicle. You absolutely can. It just has to be the right conditions. You have to have working parts on your car, and it takes a few extra parts to make it happen. So if you're interested in having this done on your car, automatic or manual transmission, gas or diesel, we've got you covered. Call us 765-301-9301. We're stopping Monday through Friday, 8:30 to 5, 9 to 12 on Saturday.